Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about installing and setting up the Canon PIXMA G3272 printer software on your computer. So whether it's a Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device, this is a pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser of your choice, and we're going to just search for Canon PIXMA G3272 and just type in support. One of the best results should be from a Canon web page here. This is Canon support for MegaTank PIXMA G3272. Go ahead and select that. And now that we're on this page, you can just scroll down underneath downloads and select where it says software and drivers. Fill in the operating system as well as the version you want to select, whatever your operating system is. And then go on down and select the master setup for Windows or Mac or whatever your device may be that you selected up here. And select the download button and give that a moment. And once it's done downloading, go ahead and open it up to run it. And you should see it's a verified publisher. Select yes. You can close out of the web browser as well at this time. Select your language as well as your region. So just by clicking the drop down, you can make different changes in there. Then select OK. And then I recommend selecting Start Setup. And then we are going to agree to the terms of service in here and select Next. And then make sure the printer is turned on. Then select Next again. Follow along with the on-screen prompts about setting up whatever connection type you're looking to have for your printer connected to your device. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.